Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Good morning, Nana. Today we are going to discuss about exercise number 1.5, in which we discuss about first bit. This is very important bit. We can expect 2 marks problem from this one. Yesterday we discussed about rules for logarithms. Rules for logarithms. The rule number one, logarithm of AB is always equals to logarithm of A plus logarithm of B. And the second one is logarithm of A by B. This is a product rule, A into B. A by B, this is quotient rule, that is equals to logarithm of A minus logarithm of B. And third one is power rule, that is logarithm of a to the power of m is equals to m into logarithm of a. Now we are going to see one more rule, that is fourth one, logarithm of a to the base a. Logarithm and base are equal, then we get 1. I will give a example how to understand logarithm of a to the base a is equals to 1. Suppose if I have 2, you can write 2 power 1 is equal to 2. By basic definition, I already explained a to the power of x is equals to some n. It is my exponential form. By definition of logarithm, if and only if power, this is the power x is equals to logarithm of n to the base a. This is the definition. By this definition, this is we can write it down like this. See here, this is my power, just like x 1 is equals to logarithm of, I told you clearly, some a to the power of x value is n. Here 2 to the power of 1 value 2. The base is 2, we should write like this. Therefore, logarithm of 2 base 2 equals to 1. Similarly, if you take some 3 power 1 is equal to 3, if and only if by definition power is equals to, that is 1 is equals to logarithm of 3, that value, the exponential form value 3, to the base also 3. See, base and log are equal, then we get 1. If you take some 16 to the power of 1 is equal to 16, this is also we can write 1 is equal to logarithm of 16 base 6. So in general we can call it as logarithm of a to the base a equals to 1. So by using these formulas or these laws of logarithms, use it to solve all these problems. Am I clear? You can solve all these problems by the help of these formulas. We'll see the first one. I will tell you. The first one is logarithm of 5 to the base 25. See here we have. That is, we can write logarithm of 5 to the base 5 square. 5 square is nothing but 25. Here, by applying power rule, we can write 1 by 2. Keep in mind, 1 by 2, this is the power, just like this formula. I will highlight that. by logarithm formula. See here is the exponent rule. Logarithm of a power m is equal to m log a. Here we have power per log, we get m. If you have power per base, we can write 1 by 2 into logarithm of 5 to the base 5. I know the formula logarithm of a base a value is 1. Therefore, this value 1 by 2 times 1, that is equals to 1 by 2. This is the way to simplify this logarithmic value of 5 to the base 25. So similarly we can show it. This is so easy, and this is the same like this problem. This is also same like this model. This model. We'll see this one. Now we'll discuss about this one. See here, logarithm of 1 by 16 to the base 2. We have to evaluate logarithm of 1 by 16 to the base 2. So this is, we can write logarithm of 1 by 2 to the power of 4 to the base 2. This is equal to logarithm of 2 to the power of minus 4 to the base 2. In 8th class we studied a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. By this formula, I have 1 by 2 to the power of 4, 1 by 2 to the power of 4 equals to 2 to the power of minus 4. So 1 by 16, I retain 1 by 2 to the power of 4, logarithm of 1 by 2 to the power of 4. This is, we can write by the help of this formula. Now, this is equals to minus 4 logarithm of 2 to the base 2. Here I applied exponent rule. Exponent rule means logarithm of some a to the power of m. We can write m into logarithm of a. By this formula, I retain minus 4 times logarithm of 2 base 2. This is we know 1 minus 4 into 1, that is equals to minus 4. Here I use this law. Logarithm of a base a is equals to 1. This is logarithm of 2 base 2, like logarithm of a base a equals to 1. By applying this formula, this is same like this one. Therefore, this value is 1. Then minus 4 times 1, that is equals to 4. This is a very, very important method to solve the problem. We can solve in a basic model. I will tell you how to do that one also. If we take same problem, evaluate logarithm of 1 by 16 to the base 2, say some x, nothing will happen. This is the power now, this is the base. By definition of logarithm, this is my base, it's my power x, that is equals to 1 by 16. I applied this formula. Keep in mind a to the power of x is equal to n if and only if power is equals to logarithm of n to the base a. This is my base. If you take the base and power, this is the base and this is the power, therefore a power x is equals to n. Similarly, we have like this. If you take this is equals to x, this is in the form of like this. Therefore, 2 to the power of x is equals to 1 by 16. I told you clearly x to the power of 4, sorry, 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of minus 4. Here bases are equal, then powers are equal, that is equals to minus 4. What is my x? I taken this one is a x, right? Therefore, logarithm of 1 by 16 to the base 2 is equals to minus 4. This is my last answer. We can get like this also. We can use the formula. We can use the formula. We can do like this also. Same problem. We can do like this also. See this one. This is using formulas. I solved that problem. I got minus 4. Or we can go through the basic definition of the logarithm.